Hello and welcome to the TpLEARN e-learning platform. This tutorial will teach you how to log in and access past exams for NPSC, BK, and WAS. We currently have over 1,000 practice exams, and we're actively updating and adding new exams as we receive them. In order to access the platform, go to https://mooc.edu.sl. This will take you to our homepage. And to log into the platform, click Login. If you already have an account, an existing account, you have a username and a password, you can enter that username and password in this box. If you do not have a username and password, you can choose to either create one and fill out a form, a short form, um, which is just your username, password, email address, and first and last name. So once you do that, you click create account. That will create an account for you and give you access into the platform. Otherwise, you can use either Facebook, Google, or Microsoft, and also you can log in as guest. Logging in as guest will not save your work. You will not, you may not have access to some of the courses. I think majority of the courses you may not have access to. So we prefer you log in with Facebook, Google, Microsoft, or you create a new account. Once you create an account, an automatic email will be sent to you, and you'll need to go to that email in your mailbox and click on the activation link and then come back and log in. So best option would be to use either one of these third parties login options, so Facebook. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use Google. I'm going to use my Google account to log in. So I'm going to click here and that will take me to Google directly. So basically the information I need here to log in is the same I use to log in to my Google account. So I'm going to access one of my Google accounts, and as you can see, it says to continue to mooc.edu.sl, enter your login information. This is not a new account you're creating, and I'm going to, my password is auto-filled. And if you have, I forgot to mention, if you have multiple accounts, make sure you choose the account that you have access to log into the platform, okay? So I'm going to click next because my password is already in the box, and it's going to take me back to the MOOC platform. Now I'm logged in, and here is my account, as you can see, and because I've accessed this platform before with that same account, it automatically takes me. So once you use your Google and you log in, or you use your Facebook or Microsoft, each time you want to access the platform, that's what you will use to log in. Okay? And that will, you'll see all your previously accessed courses and other things that you have accessed before. And these are all subjects that I've accessed before with this account. So once you're in the platform, look on the upper right corner above here, you will see all the courses. You'll see NPSC, BK, and WAS. So you want to click on the exam that you want to access. So for this tutorial, I'm going to access BK. And as you can see, these are the two categories we have for this course. We have the core subject and the elective subject. If you click on the small arrow on the left, it will expand all the courses for you that are within that core subject. So we have social studies, integrated science, language arts, and mathematics. So I'm going to go to the elective. It depends on what exam you want to access. You can access any of these exams and see the exams that we have in there. So I'm going to access home economics. So I'm not enrolled in this course. If the first, whenever you access any practice exam or any subject, if it is the first time you access it, you'll be prompted to enroll. So I'm going to click enroll me. That will take me to the course. And this is only a one-time thing. So I'm going to click enroll me to enroll into the course. And voila, I'm in the course now. This is the Becker Home Economics. And as you can see, it shows you all the courses we have, um, and they're all labeled by year and then practice exam. And if it is an essay, which is slightly different, and the essay, you might have options to select multiple answers, maybe have a drop down, maybe have a checkbox, series of options to select from, but you will see as you go along. So I'm going to attempt the 2019 practice exam. So if I click on that, it's the first time. If it will grade me based on the highest grade on this exam, and then I'm going to click attempt quiz. And once you're in the quiz, you say there are several things to note. For make sure you read the question carefully and then proceed to select your answer. So you can select whichever one is the correct answer or you believe it's the correct answer. And you can say go to the next page. Um, Note that on the question, each question is it will tell you whether you've answered the question or not. Or if you want to flag the question so you can come back later, you can click flag. And that way, if you need to review the question or change your answer, it will show you an option where you see it at the end of the exam that you flag a particular question. You can click next to go to the next question. As you can see, only one question per page. You can click next to go to the next question, or you can simply click on any of these numbers and it will take you to that question. It will be wise to just click next so that way you make sure you answer each question as it goes. I am just randomly going to select um, an answer for this question just so you can see the difference. And I'm going to click next. And then same thing. Let me go back here. You see, when I clicked on the answer, it automatically changed from not answered yet to answer saved, and then it shows the score. So I'm going to go to the next question, and I don't want to waste time since the exams are timed. I'm going to flag this and then I'll come back later. So you see, now I have a flag and I can also notice the flag on this side. It says not yet answered. So I'm going to go to next and I'm going to select another answer for this one, and so on and so forth until you get to the last question. Um, until you get to the last question, which is question 30. Once you answer the question, you're going to say finish attempt. So as you can see, there's my flag right there. Oh, now I remember I flagged this question. I want to go back to that question. I'll go back to that question and then I will select an answer and then I'll say remove the flag. So that way it's not flagged anymore. And then being that I've already answered all the other questions, for example, I would just click finish attempt from here and then I will go back to the summary page. Here's a summary page. You have the option to review all the questions. If you have a question that you have not answered, you will see it here under the status. If you've answered it and the answer is saved, it will tell you the answer is saved. So you can review all of your answers or your questions, I mean, that you've already answered. And if you feel the need to go back to a specific question, or maybe say like if you have multiple flags, clicking on the number here will take you back. That's a link to the question. It will take you right back to that specific question. So I'm gonna click attempt, and then as you notice, if you say return to attempt, it will take you back to your last question. And then if you click, if you're done and you're sure you're ready to submit this so you can get a score, you can click submit all and finish. and it's prompting you again. You can also, at this moment, if you're not sure and you still have time left, you can say cancel and go back, or just say, oh yeah, I'm done, submit all and finished. And here, oh, I get one question correct. So you see, it tells you I have this question correct. And it also tells you the length of time you took to take the exam. It tells you the date and time, and then the state that it's finished. This finish means, it does not mean that you answer all the question. This finish means that you hit the finish button and then you click submit all. That's what that finish state is. So you actually do it. And for the exams that are timed, so exam as it was. So whether you completed the answers or not, it would automatically submit it. So we encourage you, for those that are timed, to make sure that you submit your exam before. And here you see all your answers. This one I got it correct, and it says correct. The answer is same here. The answer, it shows you the correct answer. It tells me it's wrong and shows me the correct answers. So, and the ones that I did not fill, I don't get any mark for them because I did not respond to them. But it tells me the correct answers anyway. So all of them. So you have the opportunity to review this, study, and then go back and retake the exam, or go back to another year and take the exam. And from here where it says jump to, you have this option also when you're taking the test with each question. You can select this jump to and select any of these other exams. So I want to take 2017 essay. You see, it automatically takes me to that. And here, this one, it tells you it's timed and I have 45 minutes to take this exam. So click attempt quiz now, and I'm going to say yes. This will show you, as I was saying, it's not always a bullet button that you have to select. There may be option where you have to click drop down and you have multiple options. So these questions are more for like exams where you have to write the answer for this home economics. So all you do is you just select the answer. So, and I'm going to go to next. Same thing here. One of those that you have to select the answer. Please put an answer in each box. So I guess it didn't. Okay. Okay. Looks like it lets me go through. And the same thing for this. So after you're done completing this exam, as the same thing, once you hit the last question, you can click finish attempt. Last question, true or false? I'm just gonna say true. Not that my answers are correct. Please do not let's look at my answers. I'm just doing the tutorial and just randomly selecting answers just so you see how it works. These are not necessarily the correct answer. So do not look at my answers. Just focus on what I am talking about with how you can take the exam. Click finish. And again, you see the ones that I did not fill out all the boxes, they are labeled as incomplete answers. And then the ones that I didn't answer, the ones that I answered, you see those. And then again, you see it tells you the time left underneath this return box. And then all you do is either return to attempt so you can complete your quiz by answering all the questions, or just simply just review. If not, submit all, and then you're done. Oh, okay. So you see the ones that are incomplete, you see they're yellow, partially correct. And then this one partially correct. I only have one out of the four. I did not. So this, they marked them wrong because I didn't select. But you can see detailed explanation of the correct answers and additional um, information. Okay. So basically, this is how you do the drop down option of the essay. And I'm going to return back to my dashboard. Here is NPSC English language. And again, same thing for WAS. You can come in here and look at all the categories we have. We have core subjects. We group them by subject based on core, science, commercial, arts, subject, and general. So basically, this is how you get started with using the TpLEARN e-learning platform. We hope this summary helps you to get started with TpLEARN Online. If you have any questions or you need technical support meaning you're trying to access the platform, you're having login issues, or you're not able to open any of the exams, or even if you notice that an answer, you don't agree with the answer, thinking that the answer is incorrect, don't hesitate to contact us. On the upper right corner here, we have a link that says technical support. This will automatically prompt you to open WhatsApp and send us a WhatsApp message. Thank you for using a TpLEARN platform. Hope to see you soon and hope you enjoy learning and using the platform. Thank you.